Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alia Farhana Yusof and I'm from Faculty of Information Management. So today I would like to present my system, which is online tournament registration system. Okay, for the introduction of the online tournament registration system, this system is about the registration, which is to make it easier for the people or online gamers to register the tournament that they want to enter, that they want to play in the online tournament. So the system that will be proposed is online tournament registration system, which is the system can be more effectively and innovative for the online registration. Next. Okay, for the statement of problem is first, lack of platform to manage online tournament registration, and second is hard to keep track of real-time tournament result. Okay, for the objective of the project is to encourage, facilitate and enable people of all age to participate in online sport, which means that the online registration system can make an easier process to other people to enter the tournament and just use the system to register the tournament that they want to play. Okay, next is to support, develop and promote the online registration of this system to be more global, and to provide, share the online sport tournament information. Okay, for the scope and limitation of project is the system also cover for students, which is nowadays students are like to play an online games, so we provide the system, which is online registration system. Of course, it can make the students easy to enter the tournament, easy to register the tournament that they want to register, that they want to choose what the game they want to play. And okay, so for the limitation of the project is, of course, to develop the system is not easy, because we as a student also have the other commitment to complete the other tasks. Of course, have the limitation of the project, which is the lack of time to study the system structure and also the computer language, because of the system that must develop is must have the advanced knowledge to give the system, to make the system more innovative. Okay, it's difficult to understand the structure of the system that need to develop, what is exactly need to fill in the system. Next. Okay, so for the function of my system is online registration system is okay. As you can see that this is appearance, one of the example of appearance. In front of appearance, the system, which is provide the register. If you want to log in, you must click here to register. So when click here to register, there will will appear the register, and of course you can log into this online tournament registration system. Okay, so this is the interface of the system, which is my system is provide players, team tournament, team section and team ranking also. Okay, so for the players, the system can add the players, update the players, and the team also team registration also provide in this system, because this system is cover for not only for individual tournaments, also mostly focused to team tournament registration. Okay, next. Okay, so this is example of the how to register your team. So you can insert all the information and you click register, so your information will be kept in the data. will be recorded and will be kept in the data. Okay, so this is one of the example of you can update your profile. You can update, which is you want to change your address or number phone and so on. Okay, so this is example of the function in my system. This is a list of the tournament that you can register when you already register your team, your information team, and all the information. You can click register the tournament that you want to choose. So if you click the choose button, of course it will appear the register, which is that means your team is already registered that game and prepare to play in online game. Okay, next. Okay, so for the conclusion, this system is good for other people because we know that more people like to play an online game. Of course, they want to expose more in the online tournament. So with the provide of online tournament registration system, of course it can help a lot of people to register the online tournament that they want to play. So that's all from me. Thank you. Dah, habis dah. Sikit je pun, bukannya banyak.